Probably to Kashmir first, and then get over the border to Pakistan as well. But it is a place that I'll hold in my heart for many, many years. Thank you.
ठीक है दोस्त, मेहरबानी यार, थैंक यू। अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन, डडियाल एक्स एम सोल ऑफिशियल पेज के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। नाजरीन, इस वक्त मैं मौजूद हूँ ज़िला कोटली के एक बड़ा मरूफ मशहूर जो किला है, किला थ्रोची किला पे, और इस वक्त मेरे साथ मिस्टर ग्रेम मौजूद हैं। मिस्टर ग्रेम जो हैं ये जो है वो बरतानिया से ख़ास दौरे पे जो है वो पाकिस्तान आए हुए हैं, और मेरे भाई हैं कमर ज़मान साहब, उनके साथ इन्होंने इंग्लैंड से पाकिस्तान में ट्रैवल किया है, और पिछले कुछ दिनों पे से यहाँ पे वहाँ पे वो कुछ शादियाँ थी, उन शादियों में ये मसरूफ़ रहे, और मसरूफियात के बाद जो है वो आज ये मेरे पास पहुँचे हैं। मैंने इनका जो है अपने घर के बाहर इस्तकबाल किया है, उसके बाद मैंने इनको प्लाक पुल दिखाया, और उसके बाद हमने जो है वो मंगला डैम का विज़िट किया, और अब जो है वो हम विज़िट कर रहे हैं थ्रोची किला का। थ्रोची किला के फ्रंट साइड पे हम मौजूद हैं। मिस्टर ग्रेम जो हैं ये बरतानवी सिटीज़न हैं, और ये मुख्तसर दौरे पर जो है वो पाकिस्तान आए हुए हैं, और इस वक्त ये जो है वो कश्मीर के विज़िट पर हैं, और इन्होंने जो है वो विज़िट किया है, और यहाँ के लोगों के हवाले से इनके हालात जानने की कोशिश करते हैं। और ये जो बरतानिया में मुकीम है, जो लोग ये कहते हैं कि ये कश्मीर जो है वो सेफ नहीं है, उनको ये क्या पैगाम देंगे, और यहाँ पे आके इन्होंने क्या महसूस किया, यहाँ के लोगों की मेहमान नवाजी इनके लिए कैसी थी। आइए इनसे बात करते हैं और इनसे जानने की कोशिश करते हैं।
How do you like Kashmir?
How do I like Kashmir? Well, it's a long way from the UK, but I can assure you it's definitely worth the long travelling time to get here. This is, without question, one of the most beautiful areas that I've ever been to. And as far as mountain ranges go, it's second to none. It is, without question, the most beautiful mountain range that I've been to. It beats the Alps, it beats the area in the South Island of New Zealand. It is remarkably beautiful. You will never ever regret stepping foot on Kashmiri soil, and I can assure you, without question, the most loveliest people that I've ever met.
Thought about this place where we just visited is called Throwchi Killa.
Throchi Killa.
Yeah.
Well, quite a drive to get there, up a long, lumpy road, let's say, not the smoothest, but it is right in the middle of these two mountain ranges along this valley. It's quite thin is the air up here, and you must walk slowly in order not to get out of breath, but you will be breathless with the view, absolutely. Once you get up here, it's definitely worth getting up here for sure. Nice and quiet, not too many people around. It's really peaceful, so I highly recommend you visit this area for sure.
Hospitality of the people of Kashmir.
How do I like the hospitality? Absolutely bowled over by the relaxed nature of the people of Kashmir. The tea is a particular favourite of mine, and the fresh street food that we tried earlier on was lovely. But so relaxed and so welcoming are the local people of this area, without exception.
You came to the Kashmir and Pakistan for the first time. What did you like here?
It is indeed the first time that I've travelled to Pakistan. I'm very lucky to have travelled around many countries around the world, so I can compare it very well. But it is very, very different to any country that I've visited. I liked the raw nature of everything that Pakistan has to offer. The food, very basic but very tasty, and the areas are just so different from one valley to the next once you get into the towns. What did I like best? Oh, the people, without question. Travelling to Kashmir was not something that I had planned, but as soon as I saw the mountains, it was a must for me. And looking around this area, it won't be the last time that I visit, for sure. So, on conclusion to the trip to Dadyal, very, very hospitable people, and I was a little bit worried about coming here. I'm not going to lie to you. The media doesn't portray it anywhere near as positively as they should. I was very, very safe, or I felt very, very safe as soon as I travelled over the border into Kashmir. I was a little bit apprehensive, but as soon as I met up with a few of the people around and tried to communicate to the best of my ability, I immediately felt at ease. Travelling to Pakistan and consequently moving on to Kashmir was a big worry for me, and I was advised not to come. Anybody watching this must really put that to one side, because it is a safe place. There are places in Pakistan that might not be safe, but everywhere that I've travelled to has been very, very comfortable. And I would definitely and will definitely come back, probably to Kashmir first, and then get over the border to Pakistan as well. But it is a place that I'll hold in my heart for many, many years. Thank you.
जी बिल्कुल, आपने देखा कि मिस्टर ग्रेम ने आज पूरा वक्त जो है वो हमारे साथ गुजारा। पूरा दिन ये जो है ना मुख्तलिफ जगहों पर गए और उन इलाकों को इन्होंने बहुत इंजॉय किया। अब इनसे लास्ट में हम पूछते हैं कि आज का ये पूरा दिन जो इन्होंने कश्मीर में गुजारा और कश्मीर के दीगर इलाकों का इन्होंने विज़िट किया, पलाक भी गए और राजधानी जलाई, और इससे आगे जो है नाड़, गुलपर और किला थ्रोची तक इन्होंने ये सफ़र किया है। इनका ये सफ़र जो है ये यादगार सफ़र होगा मेरे ख्याल से। हम मिस्टर ग्रेम से जानते हैं कि इनके आखिरी तासरात क्या हैं। आज ये अभी ये वापस रवाना हो रहे हैं, तो मिस्टर ग्रेम से बात करते हैं।
Well, unfortunately we've come to the end of a wonderful trip to Kashmir, and I'm very sad that we can't spend any more time here, having travelled over this big hill to get to what is an amazing place. We've travelled through the hills and mountains and seen some remarkable scenery, stopped at the side of the road, took a few pictures and videos, and bought some fruit from the locals. It's been a truly amazing experience. However, we've come back to this lovely gentleman's home and had a wonderful, wonderful feast on fresh fish and rice and homemade desserts. It's been quite a remarkable experience for me, topped by a little trip round the village on a motorbike. So thank you so much. You've been very welcoming, and I hope to see you again soon.
Thank you.